Hey everybody, we are having such a good time with you. Little craziness going on here. We've had so much fun celebrating Christmas in July. So we are on the 4th day of Christmas in July, and we are featuring a very, very special fabric. It's called Magic of the Season, and it is so beautifully nostalgic. So I'm gonna have you guys check this out. It so reminds me of Dick and Jane, if you're familiar with them at all. These fabrics are so special. As you're looking at them, you kind of see the snowmen, you see Merry Christmas, and you've got, check out these trees, the Christmas trees. Do they remind you of any Christmas trees that you've ever seen? They remind me of going to Grandma's house and seeing those vintage Christmas trees with the lights on them. And nowadays, everything is vintage. So if you can kind of see how cute these border fabrics are, I know, you're gonna fall in love with them. It's kind of hard not to. And then we've got, I'm gonna pull this one too so you can see it. They're so sweet. Check this one out. They're actually having snowball fights. They've even got the, if you guys remember Red Ryder, it's the movie A Christmas Story. This little guy's even got one of those little hats, the fuzzy hat from, I mean, they're just so cute. You've got the, just back in the day, right? When the kids could do anything, basically. You'd even give your little small child a weapon for some reason. But these are just the sweetest fabrics. And this is a great big collection. There's 17 fabrics here. So there's a lot to choose from. And there's some really great patterns that we have. I'm not gonna talk about all of them today, but what we're doing with this collection is, number one, you're getting 15% off half yard cuts or more. But today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do an entire half yard collection for you all ready to go. And we have that for you here. So just so you know, normally that would be $110, and that's eight and a half yards of fabric basically, and it's going to be $94. So we'll get you the whole entire collection of the collection we hear. This is also by Michael Miller. I didn't mention that, but I wanted you to know that as well. So you can call us at 269-383-1790. Get this beautiful vintage collection. It is such a classic, lovely collection. We just couldn't pass it up, and we want you to be a part of it. So come and join us.
Hey, Kathy Edwards here from Quilts Plus. So we're going to show you a beautiful quilt. Julie, if you want to just zip up there, and it is called Soak Up the Sun. And it surely is beautiful, isn't it? The sunflowers are just beautiful. We have that kitted up. And the kit is beautiful. It's got a picture of it right on the front. It says that it is 56 inches square. It's $108, but because we're doing a special on it. So instead of it being $108, it's $91.80. So that's quite a savings. We're delighted with that. Everything is in here that you'll need. And Julie, again, we'll focus up here a minute. So that includes all the fabric that you see, including the binding. So everything is there. Of course, the backing, you can choose and get that later with us. That comes out of a book, this little mini wonderful curve book. It's cute as a button. We have a lot of projects that are in the store that we've used this for. If you already have not gotten this, we're going to give you 15% off. Typically, the price on it is $22.95, but you will get 15% off of that, whatever that comes to. And then there is a small ruler that goes with that. It's called the So Kind of Wonderful. It's the mini ruler, and it is $19, and we will be discounting that by 15% also. So again, both of these, and a lot of you gals already have these, but you don't have the kit, and I'm just gonna tell you right now, it is so beautiful. Everything's already put together, and you will just love that. So give us a call at 269-383-1790, or you can shop online for this as well. Julie and Amber already told me that. So see you another time. Bye-bye.
Hallelujah, they're back. Our feature of the day is the Moda bag that you can see through. It's made of vinyl. It is 17 by 17. You can put your biggest projects in this. I have a whole slew of them myself. They are a great value at $11. We've got some fat quarters in there and some 5-inch squares and a book. But you can just see even how it expands on the side. So you can have all those blocks and all that fabric in there. Each project can have its own bag. Like I said, I've got a lot of them, probably 10 bags going right now with projects in them. You want to come by Quilts Plus and pick them up while we still have them. They go so fast. Normally we only have them about a week, and then they are out of stock again. So come on by tomorrow or today and get your bags. That's all they're going to last.